Hey guys, what's going on? So happy Valentine's Day. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really cool heart model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami heart phone stand, and here's how it works. So you just place it on the table, and take your phone, and then place it like this. See? And it stands just like that, and you can watch videos. Alright, I'll learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could try it out of a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin colored side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very exact folds and crease sharply. Alright, unfold and rotate and fold in half the other way, but don't fold it all the way, just to make a crease mark right in the middle. Just like that. Alright, now turn over and fold this edge to the crease mark. And this time you fold all the way across. Like that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to the middle. And this fold, you don't need to make it sharp. And we're not folding all the way. We're just going to fold from here to here, and you can just make it lightly, just like that. You don't need to make it sharp. And unfold, and same on the side. Just fold it enough so you can see the crease. See? Just like that. Okay, now turn over. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this mountain fold right here, and we're going to make a pleat. So we're going to fold it so that this point touches this crease, and we're anchoring the fold at that point. See? Just like this. It's kind of a tricky fold, but do the best you can. So just like that. And then you can look inside here and make this fold sharp. Like this. Alright. And now we're gonna turn the page right here. So fold it like this the other way. It's just like turning the page of a book. See? So fold this point to this crease and anchor the fold here. Like that, and then look inside and make this fold nice and sharp. Just like that. Okay. And I don't think it matters what direction you leave it. I'm gonna leave it in this direction, so like this. Okay, so now this is gonna be the crevice of the heart. So we're gonna lock these 2 points together, and to do that, turn over and take this crease and fold it. Get my pointer here. Okay, so take that edge and fold it to this crease. Like this. Alright, and then make that fold sharp. And then now it's kind of lock it a little bit better, so take this point and fold it to this point. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then make that really sharp. Alright, and that's what it looks like. And now it's locked. Okay, now let's kind of round out the heart more. So just fold these points back. Let's do one at a time. Just fold it back. Fold it. Just maybe about that much is good. So just about like that. And repeat on this side. Alright. And then now let's undo the lock, just for right now, just for these 2 folds, like this. And now we're going to make a paper airplane fold. We're going to make a paper airplane fold. So fold this edge to the middle crease and this edge to the middle crease, like this. Okay, and then now take this edge and fold it to this edge. Make sure you make a nice sharp point right here, because that's the bottom of the heart. And repeat on this side. Fold this edge to this edge. And make a nice sharp point right here. Well, actually, that's not really the bottom of the heart. We're actually going to fold this point up. So turn over and fold this up. Actually, this part is the part that the phone sits on. So yeah, I was kind of wrong. Okay, so fold this up right on that point where these creases meet, right there. So folding on that pinch mark we made earlier at the beginning. So we're actually extending that pinch mark all the way across. See? Just like that. Okay, and now let's remake the lock. So remake the crevice and lock it. So make those folds like this. And then turn over and make this fold and this fold. Like that. And then now we're just about done. And it looks like it's complete, but it's really not. See, if you put your phone on it like this, it's not, it's gonna fall over like that. So we're gonna make a fold where it makes the phone stay. So to do that, let's turn over and we're gonna make this crease right here and we're gonna fold it. I don't think it matters what direction. And this fold is like an adjustment fold, so you kind of need to experiment with it. And if you don't fold it enough like this, like if you make it too small like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you. So, and if you try and put your phone on, it's not really gonna hold like that. So to make it hold, you have to fold it. You have to fold it more. So make that triangle a little bit bigger. So fold it a little bit more like that. Okay. And then now try it out, and this should work. And yep, that works. So that's like an experimentation fold. And then once you're happy with that, you can make that sharp. Alright, now to get rid of this point right here, so just turn over and zoom in so you can see, and fold it so that the fold aligns with this edge. And we're folding on that point too. Like that. Okay, and here it is. Here is our heart-shaped phone stand. So just put your phone on, like that, and it stands really nicely, like that. Maybe if you want, you can kind of shape the heart more, round it out, and fold these points in like this. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I'm gonna give it a try. See, just like that. Now it's a more rounded heart. Yep, still works, just like that. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and make sure you subscribe, and have a happy Valentine's Day. Alright, see you guys later. Love you all so much.